In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales lead in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales, which is also known as customer engagement. If you've been looking to make the most out of your Dynamics 365 experience, understanding how to effectively create and manage leads is a crucial part of your success. Let's dive into the process. Before we begin, it's important to cover a couple of requirements you need to meet. First and foremost, you'll need a license that grants you access to the Leads feature. This could be something like Dynamics 365 Sales Enterprise or Professional. Moreover, your user account must have the appropriate security role, such as Salesperson or Sales Manager, which will typically provide you with the necessary create and write privileges on the lead entity. Now, with those prerequisites in mind, let's move on to the step-by-step guide. To get started, open the Dynamics 365 Sales application. You'll first want to navigate to the Leads section. On the sitemap or menu, locate and click on Leads. This will take you to the Leads view, which is essentially a list of all current leads you are managing or have access to. Next, to create a new lead, simply click on the New button. This action will open up a blank lead form, setting the stage for you to input the details of this lead. As you work through this form, there are a couple of required fields that you must fill out to proceed, namely, the topic, which is essentially a brief description of what the lead is about, and the last name of the individual. These two fields are the only mandatory ones out of the box, but there's more to consider. While the topic and last name are necessary, there are several other fields that can significantly enrich your lead's profile. Consider filling in the first name, company, job title, and contact details, such as email and phone numbers. Additionally, details like the address, lead source, and lead rating can provide valuable context. The more complete and accurate the information you provide, the better positioned you'll be to follow up and nurture these leads effectively. Once you've completed the form with as much information as you have, it's time to save your work. You can do this by clicking on Save or Save and Close. This action officially creates the lead record in the system, allowing you to track and manage it moving forward. An optional but highly beneficial step is to enhance your lead with related information or activities. Within the follow-up or timeline section of the leads record, you have the opportunity to add various types of engagement records. This includes notes, tasks, phone call logs, and other activities that can help you monitor interactions and engagement with the lead. Consider also adding stakeholders. These are individuals who might influence the decision-making process or be involved in some way. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to efficiently create and manage a sales lead within Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales. Understanding and maximizing the use of these features can greatly enhance your sales process. Thank you for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more insightful tips and tutorials.